Each video lesson in this course explains a certain topic, combining multiple elements and features and even best practices that professional creatives would use in their work. It is up to you how quickly you want to go through these videos, but the aim is to be able to practice everything you've learned at your own pace. That is why I carefully designed exercise files for each lesson that you can download and practice or follow along the videos with. I also created PDF notes with illustrations for each lesson that you can print out or keep on your mobile devices for future reference. It is recommended to have the latest Creative Cloud version of Photoshop installed on your computer to make the most of this training, as there will be quite a lot of features mentioned, only available in this version. If you don't have an active CC subscription, I would suggest you download the free 30-day trial of the product from Adobe's website. This should give you enough time to study and practice while going through this course. Studying from this course also prepares you to get certified by Adobe as an associate in visual communication using Adobe Photoshop. This is an internationally accepted certification, allowing you to demonstrate proficiency in using this product. Becoming a certified associate, you can stand apart from your peers, boost your confidence, and expand your career opportunities. At the end of this course, I will explain how to get certified in great detail, as my aim is to get you ready to pass this exam after finishing this course. I also included an ACA exam preparation guide that you can download and rehearse with. Apart from getting a proof of your technical skills, it is important to be able to show your work created in Photoshop to your potential clients or employers. I also explain all the best ways to create a killer creative portfolio with which you will be able to impress anyone. Watching the videos on your own without anyone checking your progress might make you doubt yourself whether you really understood all the techniques and concepts mentioned. To help you really acquire all the skills from this course, I included quizzes for each chapter, and these quizzes should help you to check whether you fully understood the key features and techniques of each topic. For the theme of this course, I chose the theme of adventure, exploration, and discovery, as that is how learning this application will feel like. I'm hoping to get you excited about the creative possibilities Photoshop provides and inspire you along the way to make studying fun and enjoyable. Working with this product is my true passion, and I poured all my love for it into this course. But now it is time to embark on this adventure and be prepared to be blown away by the things you will be able to do with Adobe Photoshop.